with our Marauder Show. Beating the market, one trade at a time. If you're new to the Market Marauder Show, it's an investment channel, helps you to find the best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. Alright, so giving you another update on some Cardano information, stuff that's going on in the Cardano world. Um, Talked about some updates yesterday, but going to be giving my watch list as well for some of the moves being made in the market. Overall, I think that the crypto market is still looking bullish, in my personal opinion. So, going to be going over some of the updates on the crypto market. So, let's jump into the watch list. First on here, we have Bitcoin, ticker sign BTC. They're looking bullish today at $48,942. So overall, BTC is still looking bullish with a market cap of 922 billion. So Bitcoin still getting closer and closer to that 50K resistance. Um, their 1 hour, they're up 44 or 0.44%. Their 24 hour, they're up 2.21%. And on their 7 day, they're up 9.57%. Ethereum looking bullish as well. Ticker sign ETH at $3,216. Their 1 hour, they're up 0.69%. 24 hour, they're up 1.21%. 7 day, they're up 7.12%. Next, let's jump into Cardano. So Cardano, being the basis for this video, definitely giving some good news. Yesterday they announced, or Charles Hoskinson announced, that they will be released in Japan. So that is pretty good, in my personal opinion. I'd like to hear more updates on Cardano. Um, their ticker sign is ADA. They're currently at $2.73. Still very bullish in my personal opinion on Cardano. September 12th is definitely the day to look for. I'm going to be jumping into that article here pretty soon. But in the 1 hour, they're up 1.04%, down 0.43% in the 24 hour. But in the 7 day, they're up 29.95%. So Cardano looking good overall. If we go to the articles that are helping to push this move forward. They announced their smart contract, so this is the catalyst that most people are looking at. It was confirmed by Charles Hoskinson himself. It says, join us. The Alonzo upgrade will bring smart contracts to Cardano via hard fork combinator. HFC event. Find out more about the journey to the new era of smart contracts, DeFi, and more for Cardano. So, definitely some good updates with Cardano. Looks like September 12th is going to be the day. So, going to be looking forward to that. I know it's going to be a huge day for crypto. I'm very excited to see some more updates and how they're going to be rolling out the smart contract with Cardano. So, going to Charles Hoskins' Twitter page where that information came out. This is definitely a great source of information. You can always go onto Cardano's main page, but there are a lot of updates on here as well on Charles Hoskinson's page himself. So if you want to get some updates on that, this is a great place to look. This is where I saw the news yesterday. So on here, this is where I saw that ADA is launching in Japan. That was during the stream yesterday. So definitely some great information on uh, their founders page on Twitter. So there's some other stuff on here as well, some gifts about some of the stuff that's going on, as well as they have a Cardano community. They're having an event coming up, so make sure you get plugged in into all the news of Cardano. If there's a crypto out there that you like, that you want to get into your wallet, make sure you go get invested into the community. Learn more about it. Learn about the founders. Read its white papers. Understand how its tokenomics work. I would say get fully invested into learning all you can about the crypto itself instead of just jumping into it because someone says, oh, it's gonna go up. I think there's a lot of or too many fast money um, antics really going on in the crypto world. I don't really see many people talking about, oh, I'm on the long term hold some of these, but I think a lot of these are still really good long term holds. People tried to day trade Bitcoin back in the day, and a lot of people are regretting that back when it was like 10K, 15K, and now it's gone up. So the long game, I think, is the best game overall as far as getting into crypto. So I'll just bear that in mind when looking into crypto. So next on here on the list we have XRPs at $1.17. They're up 1.92% in the 1 hour. 24 hour they're up 1.63%. In the 7 day they are up 2.12%. So XRP starting a small little rally in the past couple of hours and day. Doge has fallen. So Dogecoin is down to 29 cents. It was around 31, 32 cents a couple of days ago, but it has since fallen. On the 1 hour, they are up 1.04% though. In the 24 hour, they are up 0.05%. And in the 30 day, they're up 43 at 0.69%. Next on here, which someone asked to add, was Polygon, which ticker sign is MATIC, Matic. So they're at $1.52. On their 1 hour, they're up 1.14%. On the 24 hour, they are up 2.35%. And on the 7 day, they're up 14.74%. So Matic, which is Polygon, definitely making some moves overall. So definitely going to be looking to see how that performs as time goes on. But still, the highlight of the show is going to be Cardano with their smart contracts coming out. Next, we have ticker sign ETC for Ethereum Classic. They're at $63.53, up 0.76% in the hour. In the 24 hour, they're up 0.08%. And then in the 30 day, they're up 31.96%. So a small little rally starting for Ethereum Classic. Next, we have VeChain, which is at 12 cents. They are up 1.37% on the 1 hour. 24 hour, they're up 2.77%. And 30 day, they are up 64.59%. And 7 day, they're up 6.67%. So, small bullish run for VeChain. Hasn't really changed too much though. So I would just say keep an eye on it to see how it's going. Next on here, we have Audius, ticker sign AUDIO, which is audio. They are at $2.72. 1 hour, they're up 0.73%, and the 7 day, they're down 9.95%. 30 day, they are up 145.97%. So definitely on their 30 day, they have gone up quite a bit. They're up in their 1 hour. I would say just watch it to see how it performs. If there are any coins out there you want me to look at, make sure you drop them in the chat. Or if you're watching this on the replay, drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll try to add them on here. Next, we have RSR, which was from the stream yesterday, talking about reverse rights. I think it was like ranked number 3 on asset management. On their 1 hour, they're up 0.10%. On the 24 hour, they're down 7.75%. And on the 7 day, they are up 38.42%. So nice little bullish movement going on for reserve rights. Overall, this 30 day up 94.49%. So a little bullish run for reserve rights. And they're still pretty cheap at 5 cents. So next on here we have Iotex. IOTX is the ticker. They have a market cap of 707 million. So their market cap is smaller than reserve rights, but still going to be looking at this one. Their price is 0.07 or 7 cents per token. On the 1 hour, they are down 1.02%. 24 hour down 1.18%. And on the 7 day, down 2.28%. But on the 30 day, they're up 291.54%. So some bullish movement in the long term, but in the short term, kind of starting a bearish downward trend. Next, we have Ikami. So Ikami, or AMI is the ticker, OMI. They're at 0.003. Definitely one of the NFT movers out there. Pretty good project overall. Have some pretty popular companies backing Ami. So definitely gonna be looking to see how they develop their projects as the NFT market continues to grow. On their 1 hour, they're up 0.50%. On the 24 hour, they're up 2.25%. On the 7 day, up 4.68%, and on the 30 day, up 11.76%. So, definitely, if you're into NFTs, definitely go look at Ecomi. Very interesting project. Next, we have Radium, ticker sign RAY. Now they are at $7.24. Up in the 1 hour, up 0.78%. In the 24 hour, up 2.23%, and in the 7 day, down 5.64%. On the 30 day, up 141.17%. So that is ticker sign RAY. Next, we have Clover, which is ticker sign CLV. In the They're at $1.65 at the time of this stream. Up in the well, down in the 1 hour, 1.93%. In the 24 hour, they're up 11.62%. So had a nice rally in the 24 hour for Clover. In the 7 day, though, they're up 2.08%, and in the 30 day, they're up 40.70%. So definitely keep an eye out for Clover, see how it performs as we continue getting closer to the end of the week. Next, we have Rari, which is Rarible. Rarible is definitely a great place for NFTs as well. A lot of projects being listed on Rarible, so I would say go check it out. But Rari is the token for Rarible, so make sure you go check that out. $36.99 is the price of Rari at the time of this stream. They're up 45.45%. On 24 hour, they're up 14.52%. On the 7 day, they're up 62.02%, and on the 30 day, they're up 220.16%. So Rari definitely making some moves. Still bullish overall. And as NFTs continue to grow, Rari will continue to grow as well. So MXC is at 0.03 at the time of this stream, down 1.44%. In the 1 hour, 24 hour, up 1.93%. In the 7 day, down 17.16%, and in the 30 day, up 62.11%. So that's MXC. Next, we have Pre-Search, ticker sign PRE. They don't have a 1 hour estimate on here, but in the 24 hour, they're down 9.61%, and in the 7 day, they're up 11.01%, and 30 day, up 77.40%. And then we have Einsteinium EMC2 at 0.05% or 05 cents, down 0.58%. 24 hour at 19.83%, so up on a positive note. In the 7 day, down 14.34%, so a lot of fluctuation on that one. And then on the 30 day, we can see that they're up 104.93% for Einsteinium. So one of the tokens that someone asked about yesterday is Nobility Token. I had no idea what it was. They said it was being sponsored by FaZe, which is an esport team. So I actually went and found it. This is Nobility, ticker sign NBL. It is pretty new. It is a fairly new token out there. Ranked number 6,098 on CoinMarketCap. They're only like not even 3,000 people that have it on their watch list. It says it's a Binance Smart Chain token. Maybe a good potential buying opportunity for this, especially if it's sponsored by such a major esport team. Going to Nobility, you put $1 in, that's how many coins you'll have of Nobility. So it is fairly new, which means it's fairly volatile. But a lot of these coins definitely benefit from getting in very early. So that's something to look at for is getting into some of these coins very early, especially if they have big sponsors behind them. So I would say do some more due diligence on Nobility, but that is the one that someone suggested. They also said that there's going to be a tournament with a cash prize, and I found that tournament as well. So FaZe Clan put on their Twitter page that they're going to be announcing an Atlanta FaZe 100K plus Gold Rush and 50K gold cash grab tournament. This is gonna be Thursday and Friday. Your favorite streamers kick off new season with a fight over a prize pool like you've never seen before. So it says it's gonna be at 4 p.m. Eastern time. This says April 22nd, but I think it was for September is what he was talking about. But this is just one of the tournaments they have if you're not familiar with what phase is. So just talking about the phase tournaments in general and how much money they do give. So if you're not familiar with gaming in general, this is an esports team and they're one of the teams that's supposed to be sponsoring Nobility. So if that those two things being true, this coin definitely has potential to go up from here. So that's the watch list. These are all the different cryptos out there. Make sure you go write some of these down. Some good choices on here. Some of them are going up, some of them going down. But that's going to be the stream for the day. Make sure that thumbs up. Helps YouTube algorithm promote the videos, and I'll see you guys next time.